What if I told you you could start making over $1,000 a week using Pinterest, even if you have no following and you have no experience? Well, stay with me because I'm about to show you how. Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners who are struggling financially to start and grow an online business using digital marketing, selling digital products. So if you're tired of feeling stuck and you're looking for a way to make extra income, looking for a way to make money online, well, Pinterest is one of the best places that you could start doing that. I'm going to show you how you can get started with Pinterest using digital marketing, and you can start creating that extra income that you're looking to create. I'm going to break it all down for you. So whether you're looking for some extra income, whether that be $500 or $1,000 or so per week, or you're looking for a full-time income, you're looking to replace your 9 to 5, stuck in a job, broke, just over broke type of thing. If you're looking to replace one of those, hey, take some notes as well, because this is going to help you out. And after watching this video and you find that Pinterest is something that really does inspire you, really does interest you, and you really want to make it happen on Pinterest, then you're going to want to grab my marketing bundle, or you're going to want to grab my Pinterest bundle, actually, to tell you the truth. You grab my Pinterest bundle, just comment Pinterest in the comments. I'll make sure that you get the information. You get all the details that you need in regards to the Pinterest bundle. I've got over 21 products in that bundle that's going to help you out with everything that you need to know to really make it a real go with Pinterest. All right. But I'm going to get you started with this content, with this video here right now. So make sure that you like this video, smash that like button, drop me a comment, let me know where it is that you're watching the video from. I'm interested to know where you're watching this video from. And if you like these type of videos that you're going to be able to start learning more about digital marketing, then make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. But let's start with this content and get into this Pinterest deal here. So step one, we want to understand Pinterest. We want to understand Pinterest as a traffic generation method. How to use Pinterest for our advantage and actually generating traffic with Pinterest. You see, Pinterest isn't just a social media platform that people go on and start looking for things, but it's actually a search engine, because people are going there looking for things when it comes to, whatever it is that they want to look at. Like, it's huge. Pinterest is huge, you guys, right? So people are coming on to Pinterest and they are using it to search for whatever they want to learn, what they're looking for. And in fact, a lot of great ideas they're looking for on Pinterest, okay? So it's a phenomenal search engine that you need to take advantage of for traffic generation. And unlike other social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook, stuff like that, right? Your content that you are posting on as pins on Pinterest, it lasts forever. It stays there and it stays relevant on Pinterest. So people are looking for it. What they're looking for, if your content is SEO, it is optimized for what they're looking for, and they like what they find, it's going to be there. Your pin's going to be there for weeks, for months, for years, for a long time. As long as it's relevant, as long as it's good, it's evergreen, people are going to be finding that content for a long time to come. So it lasts. That's really true evergreen content that's going to create true organic traffic. So what does that mean? It means that more and more content that you create and you put up as pins on Pinterest, it's going to last. It's always going to be there. The more you create, the more traffic that you are going to generate to your other websites, blogs, offers, whatever it is that you're doing. So that's what you want to be doing. So step number 2, this is what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to create, or you're going to want to pick a profitable niche. See, not all niches are going to be, immensely profitable, right? So you need to do a little bit of research. You need to pick out which one is going to be the most profitable one. And that's where the Pinterest bundle is really going to come in to really help you out. Okay. It's going to teach you a lot of this stuff on figuring out what's the most profitable niches that you can be picking. But I'll tell you right now what you can do. And you can pick something like personal finance. All right. Finance, creating wealth, creating ways of income streams, how to create more income, side hustles, all this sort of stuff. People are looking for that. They're looking for that type of content within that niche. So personal finance, making money, creating wealth, sustaining your wealth, that is a very profitable niche. But now you can dig down, you can dig deep within that niche. So if you want, okay? So wealth. And then the next one is health, right? So health is very profitable. People are always wanting to improve their health, whether it be diets, whether it be fitness, whatever it is. They're looking in that type of a niche, for more ideas, right? It's profitable, a health niche. So you got wealth, you got health, you've got home, DIY, do it yourself projects around your house, around your home. People are looking. That's why Pinterest is really good, especially for Pinterest, for this sort of stuff, right? Because people are looking on Pinterest, they're looking at all the pins and all the creativity that's there with the pins, okay? All the pictures and that. They're looking on Pinterest for this sort of stuff. They're looking at how they can do their closets, how they can do their pantries, how they can do their kitchens and their gardens and their sheds and all that sort of stuff. They're looking for great ideas on Pinterest, right? That's why I say people are going to Pinterest and they're looking for ideas on what they can do, right? So then you can start to sell your how-to products. You can start to sell those type of things, brings people further into details on really how they do it. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty cool, right? When you think about it. So it's very profitable, especially, what you do is you go with the season, right? You go with the season. We're heading into like the spring and into summer. So people are looking for different garden ideas, all right? Different fence ideas, different, vegetable gardens and flower gardens and rock gardens and all that sort of stuff, different patios type of things that they can do, barbecue setups, all sorts of stuff that they are looking for when it comes to the summertime, right? So you think about that. You just get your passions going, get your mind going and stirring about all that sort of stuff, right? This is a great place to bring your passions and turn your passions into profit using Pinterest. I like Pinterest. It's really cool. So then step number 3, now we're going to start to get into it, right? We're going to start to get into it. We're going to start to create our business account, start creating our pins. That's what we want to do. All right. So you start by setting up your Pinterest account, start setting up with a business account. You just go through the process, start setting up your account, setting up your pins. What you're going to want to do, you set up your profile, you put your picture in there. If you're doing this completely faceless type of thing, you can put a different logo or different picture, whatever it is that you want to put in there. But it's always great to have a picture of yourself, have a picture of your face really in there. Okay. You're not doing live videos or anything like that, but you can put your picture there if you want. If you don't have to, right? It's up to you. That's the great thing about Pinterest is it's up to you. Choose how you want to do it, how you want to set that up with your profile picture, right? Choose what you're doing. Maybe it's a complete faceless brand with, your business logo and stuff like that, right? You're branding a business company that way. You can do it that way. Absolutely. What you can be doing is with your name and with your description, you can start using keyword optimized keywords in your name, in your profile, in your name, in your description, in your title. You can start doing that. And then you create your different categories for different types of pins that you're doing, right? With keywords too, of course, right? But you can start putting your keywords in your description in that. That's what you want to be doing, which moves us to step number 4, to start creating some pins. Pins are what's going to actually start to drive your traffic. If you're selling other products, maybe it's your own digital products or affiliate products, whatever it is, right? But you're going to want to create the pins, right? Which is going to attract the visitors, attract the traffic, and then you're going to want to send those clicks, those traffic to your offers, right? Okay, that's what you're going to want to do. So you're going to want to start to create some pins. How do you do this? Well, the best way to do this is to go to Canva, okay? If you go to Canva, you can start creating your pins. You've got templates in there that you could use. Just go to Canva, type in Pinterest, and it will start bringing up templates. And then you could bring in your own images, your own graphics, your own twist, your own personality on things. That's the important thing to do, is to bring in your own, but you could use templates that are already in Canva. Really cool. So you can do that, right? Now, my Pinterest bundle also has a bunch of templates, also has a process, also walks you through how to actually do this so you're not lost and you actually know all these steps on figuring it all out and walking through it all. All right? So make sure, just comment Pinterest. I'll make sure you get all the information, all the details on the Pinterest bundle. But when you're creating these pins, you want to make sure that you are creating quality, high quality. Don't just start throwing up any old stuff and any garbage or any, just making it, that's okay. Make it nice. Make it professional. The better you are, and right from the start, take some time with it, right? Have some pride in your work that you're doing. Create really nice pins, and people will recognize them, and they'll take you more seriously, and they'll see that you're professional, okay, and what you're doing. It's very important to do that. So make them really nice, beautiful, and professional pins. That's why I recommend using something like Canva in order to do that, okay? Because you can create nice pins using Canva. Another thing when you're creating this, of course, you could add your brand, start adding your branding. What do I mean by that, right? Well, you got your name, you got your colors, right? If you got colors for your brand, your favorite colors that you are creating within your brand. If you haven't done all this yet, well, that's part of the steps, right? You can start working on your brand, right? Keep that in mind as you are creating these, what kind of color theme that you want to go for, and then stick with those colors as your branded colors when you're creating these pins. All right? Cool. Okay, so step number 5. Now that you've got this down, now that you're creating your pins, now that you're going through this process, well, you want to keep doing it. You want to be consistent. That's it. Consistency and SEO. All right, so as you're creating them, like I said, using keywords in that, you want to put in keywords. You want to optimize your pins with your description, your title. You want to do all of this, all right, so that it's optimized for search. Because remember in the beginning, I was talking about this is if you optimize it, if you've got them search optimized for what people are looking for, it will always be there. It's always good. It will always be relevant. Okay. Thinking of this as seasonal. If you got summertime, gardening type of stuff and, patios and decks and whatever it is that you have to do with summertime, well, it may not be as relevant in the wintertime, but it's going to be relevant the next summer. And then the next summer after that, or spring, summer, whatever, right? People are going to be looking for that. In the wintertime, you're working on the wintertime ones, right? Okay. So it's seasonal that way. Or you can create something that's good all year round, right? But keep that in mind. And then you optimize them for SEO. And then consistent. Be consistent, right? Put new pins up every day. Every day, put a pin. Every day, put a pin. And the more you do, the more traffic eventually you will be generating. Imagine this. You start doing a pin every day. Well, by the end of the year, you've got over 360, 65 pins, right? Maybe you just miss a day. Maybe you do 2 in one day, whatever it is, right? But you get consistent. Eventually, you'll have a lot of them out there. And even if you get imagine getting 10 clicks from one pin, once a week or throughout the week, or maybe you get, 5 clicks, maybe you end up getting one that's got 25 clicks. Well, you start building them up. That's a lot of traffic by the end of the year. That's really good, right? Okay. So now, of course, step number 6 is we're going to monetize, right? And I've already been talking about this sort of stuff, right? Monetize the traffic that you're generating by sending it to your offers. Maybe you're creating digital products, right? I talk a lot about this on my channel here. If you're not subscribed, click subscribe. But I talk a lot about creating these digital products. You can create digital products, $7 products, $14 products, simple products that you can create and you can market to the traffic that's coming from Pinterest. Okay. Or you don't need to create them if you don't want to. You can go and you could use affiliate products. You go to an affiliate network like ClickBank, JVZoo, right? Share a Sale, Amazon affiliates, right? You go to all kinds of different affiliate networks, sign up as an affiliate partner. You can get a link, grab a link, and promote that link as well. You can put up another blog where it's got your link there. Or again, here's another recommendation is this: use a freebie, offer a free gift, okay, on an opt-in page where somebody can come and they can give you their email and you give them a gift, right? A checklist, a small guide, whatever it is, so that way they can receive this and they'll get on your list. And as you build your list, Now you can continuously market your list, build a relationship with your list. You've got your own contacts that way. That's a bonus tip. That's, really what you ultimately want to be doing is building your list that way. Okay. But then, as time goes on, well, this is the last step is, you're going to scale. You're going to build your business even bigger and bigger and bigger. You just keep doing what you're doing and you add to it. You add more products. You keep adding pins, right? And the more and more pins that you're doing, you can then add more products, right? So you can have your health product, your health niche, right? Then you can have your wealth niche, right? You could have your home do-it-yourself guide type of niche, right? Or, all within your Pinterest, okay? You got your different pin categories. You can do this, right? You can set it up this way. You're just scaling and building bigger and bigger and bigger is what you're doing. That's all. And that comes with time. So as your time continues, you're just building and building and building bigger and bigger, just scaling your business. This is digital marketing. This is digital products. This is where it's at, you guys, right? Like you just start small. You can just continue to keep on going until you grow as big as you want to do. Just keep scaling. So I hope that helps. I hope you found value in this, right? If Pinterest really does interest you and you really want to master Pinterest, you need my marketing bundle, right? You need my Pinterest bundle is what you need. You need my Pinterest bundle. Comment Pinterest. I'll make sure you get the details on the Pinterest bundle. You need that bundle. It's got everything in there, complete roadmap and the whole bundle set up for you, set up for success with Pinterest. All right. Other than that, make sure that you smash the like button, drop me a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are. If you ever used Pinterest before, right? Let me know. If you like Pinterest, it inspires you, you want to start using Pinterest, drive traffic, start creating $1,000 a week or more, whatever that you want to do. What's your inspirations? What are you looking for? Right? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you're not yet subscribed, well, click subscribe. I got more of these videos coming out here for you. So if you enjoy digital marketing, you enjoy making money online and these type of opportunities, learning more about this, make sure that you subscribe for more. And right about here, YouTube is recommending this video here for you. Says, I believe this is the one that's going to interest you the most next. So head on over there. I'll see you there and you have a great day. Bye for now.